Namaskar and welcome everyone to the grand finale of Rohini's Let Me Talk Speech Competition Season 2. And it's me Diksha Khadi, the host of this event. 30 students from Province 1 participated in this competition, and among them we selected 10 students as our semi-finalists. And in the semi-finale round, those 10 students competed with each other in order to place their position in the finale round. And today, among those 10 semi-finalists, top 6 finalists are in the finale. And today, they will be competing with each other in order to win, to be the winner of Let Me Talk Speech Competition Season 2. So let's see who will be the winner, first runners-up and second runners-up among top 6 finalists. So ladies and gentlemen, now without any further ado, it's time to introduce the judging of this competition. So first of all, let me introduce social activist and leadership students of Oxford University, Mr. Santosh Ghimire. So ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome him with a huge round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce media personality, Mr. G.R. Dhidar. Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce the project manager of Dreams World Entertainment Private Limited, fashion choreographer, and second runners-up of Miss Province 1 2018, Miss Supriya Koirala. So first of all, let me invite on stage Miss Sudiksha Shivakoti, representing Balmiki Education Foundation. So ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome her with a huge round of applause.
Topic today I've got is Visit Nepal 2020, Opportunity or a Threat. Nepal is a beautiful country in the lap of Himalayas, wherein the greenery of Tarai and beauty of the hills. Our country is rich in natural, religious and cultural aspects. In order to promote those aspects, our government has started various tourism plans. Among them, government started Visit Nepal Year 1998 and Nepal Tourism Year 2011, which produced a good result, flowing great number of tourists inside the country. Now, Nepal is celebrating Visit Nepal 2020 with the ambition and goal to bring more than 2 million number of tourists inside the country to experience the breathtaking beauty of our nation. Visitors all across can experience antique temples and buildings, to adventurous sports, to religious pilgrimage, all in 1 year. So this has given opportunity to a lot number of people in the tourism sector. The basic opportunity that it has provided is employment opportunity to the people of all the levels. The other are, it has helped to increase our national income. It has made the utilization of resources up to the optimum level, and it has promoted our local made products. But calculating all the pros that are the opportunities, I came to find out some of the threats. Now, in the meantime, we are hearing about the coronavirus that has spread from Wuhan in China. That virus is spreading all over the country now. So, due to the entrance of numerous number of people inside the country, I think that this epidemic and fatal diseases can become a great threat to our nation. So at the end, I would like to say that being a proud Nepali, we should promote and celebrate Visit Nepal 2020. Thank you.
All right, that was a wonderful performance. So now I'd like to ask one of our judge, Mr. Santosh Ghimire, कस्तो लाग्यो उहाँको performance?
सुदीक्षा जी, last time तपाईले नेपालीमा प्रेजेन्ट गर्नुभएको थियो. त्यतिबेला I have said you that you are a natural speaker. तपाईले एकदमै फ्लोमा बोल्नुभएको थियो लास्ट टाइम. आज सायद डिफरेन्ट ल्याङ्ग्वेज इङ्ग्लिसमा बोल्नु भएको र अलिकति फ्लोमा चाहिँ स्पिडमा अलिकति कमी थियो. ओभरअल कन्टेन्ट वाइज राम्रै थियो. आज रिसर्च गर्नु कन्फिडेन्स थियो. प्रेजेन्टेसन अल ओभर राम्रै जस्तो लाग्यो. ठिकै जस्तो लाग्यो. थ्याङ्क यू.
Thank you, sir.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, now it's time to call our second finalist, and he is Mr. Shabal Kharka, representing Kanchenjunga Secondary School. So ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome him with a huge round of applause.
प्रिय मित्रहरू, आज म तपाईहरूलाई स्वर्गभन्दा पनि एक स्टेप माथि रहेको मेरो देश अर्थात् 3 करोड नेपाली जनताको स्वर्गको बयान गर्दैछु। 1,47,181 वर्ग किलोमिटरमा हिमाल, पहाड र तराई गरी 3 भौगोलिक क्षेत्रमा विभाजित मेरो देशमा जब काठमाडौँको पशुपतिनाथ, मनाङको तिलिचो, पोखराको फेवा, झापाको अर्जुनधारा अनि ताप्लेजुङको पाथिभारालाई सम्झन्छु, मलाई फक्रेर आउँछ महोदय। हो, यही प्राकृतिक सुन्दरतालाई विश्वको माझमा परिचित गराउन नेपाल सरकारले सन् 2020 लाई भ्रमण वर्षको रूपमा भव्य र सभ्य रूपमा मनाउने जमर्को गरेको छ। सन् 2018 मा 11,73,072 जना पर्यटकहरू देशभित्र भित्रिएसँगै त्यसका साथसाथै करिब 90 अर्ब रुपियाँ देशभित्र आम्दानीको रूपमा भित्रिएपछि नेपाल सरकारले सन् 2020 लाई पनि भ्रमण वर्ष घोषणा गर्दै करिब 20 लाख पर्यटकहरूको आगमनको अपेक्षा राखेको छ। यसले एकातिर युवाहरूलाई रोजगार सिर्जना गर्छ भने अर्कोतिर देशलाई विश्वभर चिनाउँछ। तर विडम्बना, आज चाइनाबाट फैलिएको कोरोना भाइरसले एकातिर भ्रमण वर्षलाई प्रभावित पारेको छ भने अर्कोतिर म सम्झन्छु मेरो देशका रोडहरू जहाँ रोडभन्दा धेरै खाल्डो रहेका छन्, आउँदै गर्दा भद्रपुर रोडलाई, अनि सम्झन्छु फेरि वातावरण प्रदूषणलाई, सम्झन्छु काठमाडौँको बागमतीलाई, अनि कसरी होला त भ्रमण वर्ष सफल प्रश्न गर्न चाहन्छु महोदय। म प्रश्न गर्न चाहन्छु, आज विदेशबाट नेपाल घुम्न आएको पर्यटकको एयरपोर्टमै सुटकेस चोरी भयो अरे, कस्तो सन्देश जाला त विदेशमा? आज विदेशबाट नेपाल घुम्न आएको पर्यटकको होटल व्यवसायीद्वारा बलात्कार भयो अरे, कस्तो सन्देश जाला त भोलिका दिनमा हाम्रो देशको विश्वको माझ? म प्रश्न गर्न चाहन्छु महोदय। तसर्थ अन्ततः के भन्न चाहन्छु भने पूर्वमा मेचीदेखि पश्चिममा महाकालीसम्म फैलिएका सम्पूर्ण नेपालीहरूलाई एकाग्र भई देशको विकासका लागि अघि बढ्न, देशलाई समुन्नत बनाउनका निम्ति वातावरण सरसफाइदेखि लिएर बाटोघाटो पुलपुलेसाको निर्माण गरौँ, अनि सधैँ पिज्जा र बर्गरमा रमाउने विदेशीलाई गुन्द्रुक र ढिँडोको स्वाद चखाइदिउँ, सधैँ डिस्को र क्लबमा नाच्ने विदेशीलाई मादल र सारङ्गीको तालमा नचाइदिउँ, अनि देशलाई समुन्नत बनाऊ। म त तयार छु, अनि तपाईँ हुनुहुन्छ त भ्रमण वर्ष सफल पारेर? धन्यवाद।
All right, that was amazing performance by Sawal Kharka. So I'd like to ask one of our judge, Miss Supriya Kodala, कस्तो लाग्यो उहाँको performance?
प्रेजेन्टेसन वाइज अलिकति बिचमा तपाईँ कता कता अड्किराख्नु भएको थियो, सायद स्पिडको कारणले गर्दा होला। अलिकति त्यसलाई मेन्टेन गर्नुभयो भने चाहिँ यु क्यान बी अ ग्रेट, भन्छ नि, राम्रो खालको प्रेजेन्टर बन्न सक्नुहुन्छ तपाईँ। अलिकति प्रेजेन्टेसनमा स्पिडमा अलिकति कन्ट्रोल गर्नुभयो भने कन्टेन्ट वाइज राम्रो छ, कन्टेन्ट पनि राम्रै छ। सो या ओभरअल पर्फर्मेन्स तपाईँको राम्रै छ।
So ladies and gentlemen, now it's time to welcome our third finalist, and she is Miss Britika Gartola, representing Nidhi Secondary School. So ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome her with a huge round of applause.
I am a citizen of the nation with 121 ethnic groups, a multicultural, multi-religious, multi-ethnic nation, a nation best known for its unity in diversity, the land of Mount Everest, including 14 more world highest peaks, the birthplace of Lord Buddha, and the land of brave Gorkhalis. From White Mountains to Golden Tarai, East Mechi to West Mahakali, Nepal is a world of its own. Thousands of tourists visit Nepal each year, as Nepal is one of the best places for traveling. People visit Nepal for trekking, mountaineering, paragliding, etc., and also for trade and research. So, the tourism sector of Nepal has a great potential for growth and expansion. Working on this agenda, the Ministry of Culture, Tourism and Civil Aviation has planned to organize Visit Nepal year in 2020 to attract more tourists to the country. Government has set a target to bring in 2 million tourists each year. These were the advantages and opportunities that tourism provides to us. But also we should consider that there is a lack of road transport, accommodation, communication, lack of adequate budget, lack of state government in Nepal. And these are the major hurdles to tourism. Nepal doesn't have a good air. Tribhuvan International Airport alone cannot manage a lot of flights. And Gautam Buddha International Airport and Pokhara Regional Airport haven't completed their construction in time. And Visit Nepal 2020 is a big campaign which can help a lot Nepal's development. And we should not let everything on government. As youth, we should give our best from our side by promoting this campaign in social medias and by direct participation. We should do something good for our nation. Jai Nepal. Thank you.
All right, that was a wonderful performance, and I'd like to ask one of our judge, Mr. G.R. Dhital, कस्तो लाग्यो उहाँको performance?
र तपाईले एकदमै तपाईको कन्फिडेन्स लेभल ठिकै थियो, तर स्पिच दिइरहँदाखेरि जति मासलाई कभर गर्नुपर्ने हो तपाईको आई कन्ट्याक्टले त्यसमा अलिकति चोक्नु भयो। नभए तपाईको कन्फिडेन्स लेभल पहिलाको भन्दा धेरै राइज भएको छ र कन्टेन्ट धेरै उठाउनु भएको छ र इन्डमा पनि यहाँले नेपाललाई सम्बोधन गर्नुभयो, त्यो मलाई मन पर्यो र मासलाई फेस गर्ने कुराहरू इम्प्रुभ गर्नुहोस्। विश यू अल द बेस्ट।
So ladies and gentlemen, now it's time to welcome our another finalist, and she is Miss Prisha Kharel representing Kanchanjunga Secondary School. So ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome her with a big clap.
समुद्र सतहबाट 8,848 मिटरको उचाइमा नेपालको ताज बनेर बसेको सगरमाथादेखि 70 मिटरको केचनासम्म पुग्दा नेपाल प्राकृतिक सुन्दरताले भरिभराउ छ। नेपाल संसारको एउटा मात्र यस्तो देश हो जहाँ सबै प्रकारको हावापानी पाइन्छ। संसारकै सबैभन्दा बढी उचाइमा रहेको तिलिचो जैविक र प्राकृतिक विविधता यीसँगै चाम्रे र गुन्द्रुक बाँडिने हो भने पर्यटकले नेपालको स्वाद कसो बिर्सेलान् त सभाध्यक्ष महोदय। हाम्रो नेपालमा विक्रम सम्वत 2074 साल श्रावण 29 गतेका दिन 20 लाख नेपाली पर्यटक भित्र्याउने उद्देश्यका साथ भिजिट नेपाल 2020 प्रपोज गरिएको थियो। यदि नेपालमा 20 लाख पर्यटन भित्रिन्छन् भने एक वर्षमा नेपालले 11 खर्बको आम्दानी गर्न सक्छ। तर यो एउटा चुनौतीपूर्ण उद्देश्य हो, किनभने नेपालमा केवल एउटा अन्तर्राष्ट्रिय विमानस्थल छ। यदि कुनै पर्यटक मुस्ताङको स्याउ खाँदै मुक्ति क्षेत्रमा घुम्न चाहन्छ भने उसले मुस्ताङभन्दा 203 किलोमिटर पर काठमाडौँमा ल्यान्ड गर्नुपर्छ। यो पर्यटकका लागि झन्झटिलो र खर्चिलो दुवै बन्न सक्छ। 5000 मिटरदेखि सुरु हुने धौलागिरी हिमालयन रेन्ज एकदमै हिमाली दृश्यले रमणीय छ, तर त्यहाँ विडम्बना त्यहाँ न त होमस्टेको व्यवस्था छ न त होटलकै व्यवस्था छ। हाम्रो पशुपतिमा पवित्रता हेर्न गएका पर्यटक बागमतीको दुर्गन्धताले दिगदार भएर फर्किन्छन् सभाध्यक्ष महोदय। यसको समाधानका निम्ति हामीले आवश्यक परेको ठाउँमा यातायातको सुविधा, फोहोरको व्यवस्थापन आदि गर्न एकदमै जरुरी छ। हालैमा काकरभिट्टामा एसियन टुरिज्म फेस्टिभल 6 दिनका लागि चल्दैछ, जहाँ बङ्गलादेश, भुटान, आसामबाट विभिन्न पर्यटक आई नेपालको सांस्कृतिक अवलोकन गर्दैछन्। यो भिजिट नेपाल 2020ले चालेको एकदमै महत्त्वपूर्ण कदम हो। एक थुकी सुकी 100 थुकी नदी भने चाहिँ सातै प्रदेशमा यस्ता कार्यक्रम गरिने हो भने भिजिट नेपाल 2020 सफल बन्न सक्नेछ। अब अर्को पाली छुट्टीमा ब्याङ्कक होइन, हाम्रै घले गाउँ एकचोटि जाउँ न, हाम्रै सुन्दर हेरौँ न भन्दै देश विदेशमा रहेका सम्पूर्ण नेपालीलाई नेपालमा आउन म निम्तो गर्दै आफ्ना भनाइ यही टुङ्ग्याउन चाहन्छु। धन्यवाद।
प्रेजेन्टेसन र ओभरअल ग्रुमिङ तपाईँले आफूलाई जसरी गर्नुभएछ, विच इज रियली वन्डरफुल। त्यो तपाईँको सधैँ नेचुरल पार्ट होला। सो आई रियली एडमायर यु। थ्याङ्क यू।
थ्याङ्क यू सो मच सर।
So ladies and gentlemen, now let me invite our another finalist, and he is Mr. Bishal Tamang representing MAT Education Foundation. So ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome him with a huge round of applause.
This is a gesture of unity. This is a gesture by King Prithviraj Saha, who united all of us. This is the symbol of unity. I want to take you and I want to give you a reminder of 2015's earthquake, who took life of several people. More than 8,952 people were killed, including 107 visitors. 21,952 people were injured. 3.5 million people were homeless. And more than 10 million rupees was lost. So, I want to say that Nepal is one of the beautiful country. I agree. Nepal has the huge potential in tourism. I agree. But despite, there is a huge danger, huge challenge that country need to focus on. As we know, Nepal is a hazard zone. A natural disaster like landslide, flood, avalanche, fire can take several lives of people. And we need to focus on that, because I want you to close your eyes and feel how you feel when you are away from home. There is no one to care you, and you are trapped by earthquake. That was the situation of tourists when tourists was there in earthquake, and no one was there to care for them. And this is one of the biggest challenges that country need to focus during this year, Visit Nepal 2020. We need to provide them best facilities. We need to give them safe security, because they are out of their home, and their motive is to come here and visit, and they have the security, they have the best quality to feel the safety. So I want to say that Atiti Devo Bhava, we need to focus and give them the best hospitality. Thank you so much. Thank you.
All right, that was a wonderful performance by Bishal Tamang. So I'd like to ask one of our judge, Ms. Supriya Kodala, कस्तो लाग्यो उहाँको performance?
टपिकमा तपाईँको भिजिट नेपाल 2020 अपर्च्युनिटी अर थ्रेट्स तपाईँले अपर्च्युनिटी चाहिँ हाम्रो नेपालमा के छ कस्तो छ वाइ टुरिस्ट निड्स टु भिजिट आवर कन्ट्री भन्ने कुरालाई चाहिँ त्यति प्रायोरिटी दिनु नभएको हो कि जस्तो आई फिल द्याट है थ्रेटको बारेमा जुन तपाईँले 2 मिनट्सको टाइम यसैलाई मात्रै एउटालाई यो कुरालाई मात्रै रियलाइज गर्नुभयो अदरवाइज तपाईँको प्रेजेन्टेसन एकदमै राम्रो थियो कन्फिडेन्ट लेभल राम्रो थियो तपाईँ जे बोलिराख्नु भएको थियो इट वाज क्लियर के बुझिने थियो रिलेटेबल एक्सप्रेसिभ पनि हुनुहुन्थ्यो तर आई गेस कन्टेन्ट वाइज तपाईँले अलिकति फोकस हुनुपर्छ. So yeah, overall performance राम्रो थियो.
Ladies and gentlemen, now it's time to introduce and welcome our last finalist, and she is Miss Malvika Lakshamba representing Manakamana College. So ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome her with a huge clap.
A country where the highest peak of the world, Mount Everest, lies. A country with 36 castes and 129 different languages. A country with an amazing arts and artifacts, and a country rich in herbs that contain 118 different climates. Well, I'm not talking about heaven. This is Nepal. And I'm so grateful to be Nepali. Despite of being such a beautiful country, my country is unable to develop in tourism sector. So since this year, with a motive to promote Nepal as tourism destination and with the motive to uplift the status of Nepal and Nepali, Visit Nepal Year 2020 has begun with the slogan, Lifetime Experience. But there are numerous hurdles on the way. Infrastructure problem, lack of budget resources, security, campaign, and because of these all and the airports in Nepal. The airports in Nepal have only earned the bad names because of its poor services. These are the key issues to which government must pay a due attention. And recently, one of the big incidents is happening in the world. Today, because of novel coronavirus, so many Chinese people are being suffered and are dying in every minute. Today, with the hope in our eyes and with the grief in our heart, we are praying for China. And we Nepali, we have expected a lot of visitors to welcome from there. And because of this incident, this might affect the motive of our campaign to attract 2 million tourists by the end of this year. But if our government works on to provide good services and good environment for the visitors, if we every Nepali be sincere towards our work, towards the responsibility and towards the visitor, then these challenges can turn into a number of opportunities. We can increase the economic status of Nepal. At last, what I want to say is that the word Atiti Devo Bhava should be implemented in real life rather than making it limited in words alone. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Thank you so much.
That was amazing performance by Malvika Lakshamba. So I'd like to ask one of our judge, Mr. G.R. Dhital, कस्तो लाग्यो उहाँको performance?
सुरुमा यस्तो लाग्दै थियो कि तपाईँले कुनै कन्टेन्ट याद गरिरहनु भएको छ कि भन्ने फिल भइरहेको थियो फर्स्ट 30-40 सेकेन्डमा अलिक पछाडि यस्तो आयो कि तपाईँले आफ्नो अन दिइरहनु भएको छ अहिले सम्झेर अहिले बोलिरहनु भएको छ भन्ने एक्सप्रेसन दिइरहनु भएको थियो र तपाईँले कन्क्लुजनको कुरा गर्नुभएको छ प्रब्लमलाई मिनिमाइज गरेर थोरै उठाउनु पर्ने यो टपिकमा च्यालेन्जेसलाई त्यो मेन्टेन गर्नुभएको छ सो ओभरअल I like your speech very much. Wish you all the best.
Oh my God, thank you so much, sir.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
And our top 6 finalists have performed their performances, and among them, who will be our winner? We will declare this after this short break. All right, ladies and gentlemen, now it's time to declare the name of our winners. We have top 6 finalists, so at first I'm going to declare the name of our 5th runners-up. And our 5th runners-up is Mr. Bishal Tamang from Amity Education Foundation. And our 4th runners-up is Ms. Sudiksha Sivakoti from Balmiki Education Foundation. So ladies and gentlemen, our 3rd runners-up is Ms. Britika Gartola from Nidi Secondary School. All right, first of all, congratulations to three of you because you are going to be winner, first runners up and second runners up. So now it's time to reveal the name of our second runners up, and our second runners up is Miss Prisha Kharel from Kanchanjunga Secondary School. Congratulations. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, we have two finalists, and one is our winner and one first runners up. So now I'm going to reveal the name of the winner of Rohini's Let Me Talk Speech Competition Season 2. And the winner. So now I'm going to reveal the name of the winner. And the winner is Miss or Mr.? All right, the winner is Malvika Lakshamba from Managamana College. And our first runners up is Mr. Samal Kharka from Kanchanjunga Secondary School.